Okay, let's
Imagine a Santa baby boy, he said I'm not safe in Dubai. Shit is a blessing, it's pussies, I feel like I'm in Zikubane. He can't even be 20 if he want noggin, I'm a Didi, I'm Kanye.
okay, I don't wanna explain it, bro.
Dominoes, all of your falling. He said I'm not safe in the garden. I'm waiting for all of your niggas to rap. Still waiting for you to stop wearing raps. Ain't beefing with you, I got beef with your dad. Auto 20 on West, now you thinking you owning the trap. Well, fuck it. Ellie oop on your ass, I dunk it. Can't even go back for band, let's up it. Blakey say jump and you say daddy how high. Use a bit.
Hold on, what did he say?
Can't even go back for band, let's up it. Blakey say jump and you say daddy how high.
Joe. No, it's a weird. Ha!
Use a bitch as.
Why is Blakey catching strains, bro? Daddy, how high?
Go back for band, let's up it. Blakey say jump and you say daddy how high. Use a bitch as puppet. You making songs for grade A's and you tell them to take drugs and they love it. We know a thing or two about your bitch, nigga, but your simp ass still gon' cuff it. Don't even give a fuck with your toilet cousin. Still.
Bro, Sole. Blake is sick as Sole. So, is this his cousin he's talking about, bro?
Cuff it. Don't even give a fuck with your toilet cousin. Still gonna talk about that binga, so I close the discussion. Fuck, nigga.
Cause I know who you're talking about, boy. I will name these favorites. Go rap with your colleagues, my nigga.
Oh my
Dog, I'm calling GMG. Speed dial.